Today we're going to bring a 2-in-1 cone and a barkless cone too also. So if your dog's been barking and he's been pretty noisy, you can actually set these up. Or if he has surgery or any kind of medical conditions that he has to lick himself and you want to stop him from preventing that, we're going to set this up. This is another option. All right, it's inflatable, so this is washable and it comes with Velcro to tie it up, and the cone too. The cone also gets a zipper on the edges that you have to zip it up on the edges of this. So we're going to set it up right now. We're going to inflate it and see how it looks. The way it works, the cone, it's very simple. You could grab the cone for your dog, wrap it around his neck, all right, and it has a clip, all right. It's not too tight. It's perfect for him, and this is flexible. It's inflatable, so you can always turn it down if it's too tight for him, but he's very comfortable. And he gets a snack for that. And he could even eat snacks with this cone right here. It's like a bib. It pretty much works like a bib almost. So let's see how it looks with the actual cone itself and see how it works. All right, so here we have with the zipper. And in order to make sure that it doesn't come off the zipper, fold it out like this. No, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. Good boy, good boy. We're gonna put this cone on him. Hold on, hold on. So if you guys can see, Toby, he's not able to lick himself, but we could give him snacks still. He's able to eat with the cone on, if you guys can see. Overall, it's very good. It's very handy. You could disinflate it, put it anywhere, save it for some other rainy day, or if your dog's barking, this is a perfect way to actually make him to stop. It echoes the actual audio in there, and it's perfect for them. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.